Hello, my name is Bakari Malam, and in this video we are going to create a method that will check whether a passcode is strong or not strong. So the passcode must be at least 6 characters, and it must contain one capital letter, one lower letter, so and a special character. So now let's start it. So first I'm going to create a main method, then I will create another method that will check the passcode. It's going to be static, then boolean, and I'm going to name it as check. It's going to take a string, so I will name that as password. Then from there I will create a variable for each type we are looking for. So first one, I'm going to check for length. So here I will say passcode length greater than or equals to 6. So I'm going to create another variable, so that one will be whether the passcode contains a number, so I will name that as contains number. Then I will say passcode matches. Here we want to check everywhere, whether it is at the beginning or at the end. We want to check everywhere, so I will say to check for digit, then to check anywhere within the word. So I will create another variable, then I'm going to name that as contain a upper letter. So this one will check for upper character. So here I will say passcode matches. I'll say passcode matches. So we want to check anywhere, like any location within the given word. So here I'm gonna say from upper A to upper Z. So then to check anywhere, that I will create another variable, so that one will be that one will check whether it contains at least a lower characters. So that one is gonna be small or lower A to Z. Then we're gonna create another one that will check for special character. So I'm gonna name that as special character, whether it contains special. So I will matches. Then that one also any location, like any location within the word. So I will say okay. Then from here from here now we return this variable. So we're gonna say return length and contains number and contains upper and contains a lower letter, okay, and a special character, contains special character. Okay, so now here let's create a variable that we will check. So I'll name this as password. So here I'm gonna say Pittsburgh City, then I will say 89. I will say 89, then I will say exclamation mark here. So I will print it out. I will put some word here. Is this word we just put, is this word a strong passcode? So then here we put the method we just create, then we put the passcode there. Let's run it and see. you can see it's Pittsburgh City 89 escalation, a strong passcode. It is true because it contains one capital, one number, and a special character. So we can verify that if I change this to small p, then I change this to lower c. Let's run it and see. So you see now we got false. When I return this back to upper C, upper C, then I return this back to upper P. Now I remove these numbers. Let's check that one also. It is false again. If I return a number, then I remove exclamation mark, we got false again. So now when I put another special character like %, now it is true. All right, thank you guys.